In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a multi-language website in Webflow. Creating a multilingual website can really open up your content to audiences all over the world. So let's dive right into the steps to make that happen in Webflow, a powerful web design tool. First things first, you're going to want to open your project in Webflow. So go ahead and navigate to the Webflow dashboard and select the project you want to make multilingual. Once you've got your project open, you're ready to start adding those language options. Now, take a look at the top menu. You'll see an option labeled localization. Click on that. This is the key area where you'll be managing the different languages your site will support. It allows you to control and organize language settings for the entire site, making it a vital component of your multilingual setup. The next step is to click on Add New Locale. This is how you'll introduce additional languages to your site. It essentially means you're adding another language environment in which your content can be displayed. Webflow allows for a variety of locales, so your website can be customized for different linguistic and cultural contexts, which is especially useful if you have a diverse target audience. After clicking Add New Locale, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, you're simply going to select a locale. This could be any language that you want to offer on your site. It's really intuitive. Just scroll through the list and click on the one that suits your needs. This feature offers a wide range of languages, so you're likely to find the exact ones you need for your audience. Once you've selected your locale, remember to hit Save. This step is crucial because saving ensures that the new locale is registered and can be used in the setup and translation process. You want to make sure none of your work is lost, so always make a habit of saving any changes you make. Finally, it's important to mention that Webflow requires you to upgrade your localization plan if you plan to publish in another locale. This is a critical detail to be aware of before you start making major changes and expecting them to go live. Upgrading your plan will unlock the ability to actually publish your site in additional languages, ensuring your multilingual project reaches its full potential. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can begin transforming your website into a multinational platform, reaching a broader audience with your content. Remember, a multilingual site not only enhances accessibility, but also demonstrates a commitment to your diverse user base. Thanks for watching, and happy designing in Webflow.